Hey everybody, welcome back to Delph and Gohan. We're going to do a little bit more content this year, and to kick the year off, we're going to start talking a little bit about AI and with the trend that is going on right now called ChatGPT. I'm sure you've heard many things about it already. I want to start a video where we talk a little bit about the business aspects of it, how you can use it. And this video is just for you guys who maybe just played around with it a little bit or have not yet, and think about how ChatGPT can help your business grow and create a more efficient entity. A quick summary: ChatGPT is a machine learning model. It's created by OpenAI, a company by Elon Musk and many more, and was developed in 2019. But now in late November 2022, ChatGPT 3 was released and everyone lost their mind. I think there are over a couple of million users in just a few days, weeks. And yeah, for ChatGPT, let's just analyze the name one time so we understand what GPT means. The G stands for generative. Okay, generative is like having the power or function of generating, originating, producing a certain information, right? And then the P is really for pre-trained. So pre-trained meaning that a network that was previously educated and trained on a large data set to therefore act accordingly. And then the last one, the T, stands for transformer, which is quite a machine learning term in this part, but it basically converts information by tracking the relationship to certain data groups and points. G, generative, P, pre-trained, and T, transformer. And all these words basically take a certain direction of collecting, converting, producing, generating. So you can see that none of these terms are talking about human intelligence or creating ideas for you or developing completely new things. No, it is not. It is really just the power that has now been unveiled to us and published of having the entire internet access in one platform. And that is pretty much it. So there are many benefits of what you can do, but things that you really cannot do is thinking, okay, it's going to help me find a new formula for, the drug that I'm trying to come up with, or trying to find this perfect solution. It's not going to take over the entire planet. We are not quite there yet. So thinking about which steps you can use this tool to automate, to take over repeatable tasks, or to help you with research, or help you with very long documents or text that need to be shortened, something like that is a very great use case for you to be able to use this efficiently. So I'm just going to read one part off here, and it says ChatGPT generates a result of existing information from the internet based on the prompts and actions that you are providing. Okay, so it really starts with the clean look. You type in whatever you like, and based on that information, it will generate a summary or whatever it is to your liking. So the big takeaway, I think, from this little summary already is you cannot invent any things that have never done before, because it generates existing information from the internet. And instead of relying on it on that large scale, think about it, how certain little steps that will get you to your goal, if it's writing a process or if it's writing a story or content idea, how can it help you do little research bits of pieces summarizing a very complex topic for you to be able to solve the next step much more efficiently and faster and get there much faster. So that's pretty much it. I need to warn you guys as well is that everything on the internet is definitely not true, as you all know, or I hope you know that. And therefore the information sometimes that you will get from ChatGPT are therefore also incorrect, misleading, sometimes even excluding or offensive. It does happen because it's based on the internet's information. So be careful. And from a business standpoint, never copy straight from ChatGPT. It is always recommended, at least from my end, to be original, to put your own twist on it. It is not there to just have your final output spit out right there. That goes along as well if you want to have a strong SEO on your website, for example. Google is working or is already kind of like pretty much able to detect AI copy in a way. There are also other solutions to go around it, but let's not get into that today. And yeah, I just want to give you a few little do's and don'ts. And if you think about the do's, it's really like use it as an inspirational tool, like generate ideas, kickstart certain situations where you might feel stuck in writing or producing or like making a certain deck for your team. And summarizing things, like for example a long report, if you don't have the time, ChatGPT is an amazing tool to say like, hey ChatGPT, can you please help me convert this, like, I don't know, 20-page report into 2-3 sentence and the bullet point list. The results are going to be absolutely amazing. I'll promise that to you right now. And all right, let's go a little bit to the don'ts. And as I mentioned earlier, please don't trust it blindly. I mean, like, always read what comes out of it. Please don't use it to make even more misinformation and fake news online. Please use it responsibly, and hopefully it will be a very good tool and assistant to your business. And I believe ChatGPT like represents a major shift in how we're all going to work in the future. I'm sure it's going to have also many risks in the long-term game, but that is not for me to judge right now. And we will all observe and develop and grow together with the platform, because this is definitely not going away. So whoever has ever read a little bit of history for the Industrial Revolution understands and knows how much it can hurt your business if you don't jump on the right train. So I believe this train will go somewhere, and I hope to see you in the next one. I hope this was helpful. Cheers, guys.